The power of personal style, expressing your authentic self through fashion. It's not just about following trends or wearing the latest brands. Ever looked at your closet and felt lost? Like you had a bunch of clothes but no real style? This is a common feeling, and it can be overwhelming. You're not alone. Many people crave a wardrobe that truly reflects who they are. They want their clothes to tell their story. Personal style is about more than just clothes. It's about creating a visual representation of your inner self. It's about expressing your unique personality and passions to the world. Your style can be a powerful form of self-expression. It's a powerful tool that can boost your confidence and help you feel comfortable in your own skin. When you wear something that truly represents you, it shows. Think of your clothes as a visual language. They communicate without words. They tell a story about who you are, what you value, and how you want to be perceived. Every piece you wear is a part of that narrative. When you dress in a way that aligns with your true self, you feel a sense of authenticity and empowerment. This alignment can transform your daily life. This guide will help you unlock your unique style and build a wardrobe that makes you feel confident and stylish every day. We'll explore tips and tricks to find what works best for you. Ready to express your authentic self through the art of fashion? It's a journey of self-discovery and creativity. Let's dive in and discover the transformative power of personal style. Together, we'll explore how to make fashion a true reflection of your inner self. Your most stylish self awaits. Embrace the journey and let your wardrobe be a canvas for your authentic self. Unveiling your style identity is a journey of self-discovery and expression. It's about defining and embracing your unique style, a reflection of who you are. Personal style is the unique way you express yourself through clothing and accessories. It's not just about following trends, but about finding what resonates with you. It's about discovering the colors, silhouettes, and pieces that make you feel confident and comfortable. Whether it's a bold red dress or a classic white shirt, your choices speak volumes. Your style is a reflection of your personality, values, and lifestyle. It tells a story about who you are and what you stand for. It's about creating a visual representation of who you are on the inside. Every piece you wear is a chapter in your personal style book. Why is personal style so important? Because it plays a vital role in shaping your self-image and how you present yourself to the world. When you feel good about how you look, it boosts your confidence and self-esteem. This confidence radiates and influences how others perceive you. When you feel good about how you look, it boosts your confidence and self-esteem. You become more open to new experiences and interactions. You feel empowered to take on the day and make a statement. Your style becomes a powerful tool for self-expression and communication. Remember, your style is yours alone. It's a personal journey that evolves with you. There are no rules, only guidelines and inspiration to help you along the way. Explore, experiment, and find what truly resonates with you. Embrace your individuality and let your personality shine through your clothing choices. Celebrate your uniqueness and wear it with pride. Deconstructing your closet, unveiling hidden gems, and identifying style gaps. This is an exciting journey of rediscovery and transformation. The first step to defining your personal style is to take stock of what you already own. This means diving deep into your wardrobe and pulling out every single piece of clothing. Open your closet and try on everything. Yes, everything. This might seem overwhelming, but it's a crucial step in understanding your style. This will help you identify what you love, what you don't, and what's missing. Create 3 piles: keep, donate, and store. As you try on each item, ask yourself, does this fit me well? Does it flatter my body shape and make me feel confident? Have I worn it in the last year? If not, why? Sometimes we hold on to clothes for sentimental reasons or because we think we might wear them someday. How does it make me feel? Clothing should bring joy and confidence. If it doesn't, it's not worth keeping. If it doesn't fit, is outdated, or makes you feel less than your best, it's time to say goodbye. Letting go can be liberating. Donate or consign these items to create space for pieces you truly love. This not only helps you, but also benefits others in need. This process helps you understand your current style preferences and identify any gaps in your wardrobe. Maybe you need more basics or perhaps a few statement pieces. It's about creating a curated collection of clothes that you love and that make you feel fantastic. A well-organized wardrobe is a reflection of your personal style and confidence. Seeking inspiration, identifying style influences, and exploring fashion possibilities. Now that you've decluttered your wardrobe, it's time to gather inspiration. Look around and pay attention to what catches your eye. Do you admire a certain celebrity style? Are you drawn to a particular fashion era? Flip through magazines, browse online style blogs, and create Pinterest boards to curate your favorite looks. Don't be afraid to mix and match different styles and create something entirely your own. Remember, this is all about exploring and discovering what resonates with you. There's no right or wrong answer, just endless possibilities to ignite your fashion creativity. Defining your aesthetic. Crafting a style vision that reflects your personality. Now that you have a better understanding of what you like, it's time to define your aesthetic. Do you prefer classic and timeless pieces, or are you drawn to bold and trendy styles? Think about the words that describe your ideal style. Are you edgy, romantic, minimalist, bohemian, or a mix of several aesthetics? Defining your aesthetic will serve as a compass, guiding your future fashion choices and helping you create a cohesive and authentic personal style. Stepping out of your comfort zone. Experimenting with styles and embracing new trends. Discovering your personal style is all about experimentation. Don't be afraid to try new things and step outside of your comfort zone. Head to a store and try on pieces you wouldn't normally consider. You might be surprised by what you discover. Maybe you've always gravitated towards neutrals, but a pop of color could make you feel more confident. Or perhaps you're stuck in a style rut, and a new silhouette could be the breath of fresh air your wardrobe needs. Remember, fashion is about having fun and expressing yourself. Embrace the journey and enjoy the process of discovering new facets of your style personality. Curating your style vision. Creating a mood board for inspiration and guidance. Creating a mood board is a fun and visual way to bring your style vision to life. Gather images from magazines, Pinterest, or online stores that represent your desired aesthetic. Print them out and arrange them on a board or in a digital format. Include everything from clothing and accessories to colors, patterns, and textures that inspire you. This tangible representation of your style aspirations will serve as a constant source of inspiration and guide you when making future fashion choices. Building a capsule wardrobe. Investing in timeless essentials. A capsule wardrobe is a collection of versatile, high-quality pieces that can be mixed and matched to create endless outfit combinations. Start by investing in timeless essentials such as a classic white shirt, a well-fitting pair of jeans, a blazer, a little black dress, and a trench coat. These foundational pieces will form the backbone of your wardrobe and can be dressed up or down for any occasion. Choose neutral colors for your essentials, as they're the most versatile and can be easily paired with other items. By focusing on quality over quantity, you'll create a wardrobe that stands the test of time and reflects your evolving personal style. The art of accessorizing, elevating your outfits with statement pieces. Accessories are the secret weapon to taking your outfits from basic to stylish. A statement necklace can elevate a simple tee and jeans, while a colorful scarf can add a touch of personality to a neutral outfit. Don't be afraid to experiment with different accessories such as hats, belts, jewelry, and bags. They can completely transform the look and feel of an outfit. Remember, the right accessories can make all the difference in showcasing your unique style and adding a touch of personality to your look. Dressing for your body type. Understanding your silhouette and accentuating your best features. Understanding your body type is key to finding clothes that flatter your figure and make you feel confident. Everybody is different, and there's no one-size-fits-all approach to fashion. Once you know your body type, you can choose clothes that accentuate your best features. For example, if you have an hourglass figure, you might want to highlight your waist with cinched tops and dresses. If you have a pear-shaped figure, you can balance your proportions with A-line skirts and bootcut jeans. The key is to embrace your unique shape and choose clothes that make you feel comfortable and confident in your own skin. Embracing style evolution. Adapting your look as you grow and change. Remember that personal style is not static. It's a journey of self-discovery that evolves over time. As you grow and change, so will your style preferences. Embrace this evolution and allow your wardrobe to reflect your current tastes and lifestyle. Don't be afraid to experiment, try new things, and let go of pieces that no longer serve you. The beauty of personal style is that it's a reflection of your unique journey and allows you to express your authentic self through the art of fashion. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content.